4 years feels like the longest and shortest time of our lives. So, if you are watching this, you're probably about to leave college in a few days, or you're already missing it. The truth is, nobody teaches you how to do college. You showed up one day with your bags, meet random strangers, and somehow those strangers become family. But now, a few days from the end, everything feels like it's happening too fast. The places, the people, and the routines. All the small moments that we never thought we had missed. They're already turning into memories.
First year is all about figuring out what's going on. You meet new friends and make late night maggies. It's chaotic, but somehow it's the start of everything. By the second year, you found your people, the group chats are popping, and you know exactly which class you're gonna bunk. And this is the year of thinking you are living in a best life. Third year hits differently. Academics, internship, and what's next. Some friendships get stronger and some fade away. You realize that not everything will last forever. Nobody tells you how fast the last year goes by. Every moment feels like a goodbye, and even when you are not ready to say it. In college, you generally find three types of people. First one, the only focusing on the studies. They often lack the social skills and the emotional intelligence they have, and their network also tend to be limited for the narrow circle. Second one, the person who enjoy their entire college life without building skills. These kind of people will lack in their future growth on both professionally and socially. Coming to the final type of the people, these people know how to balance their academics and they will enjoy their college life, and they are having the strong skill sets compared to the other types of the people because they often know how to manage their time and they are having the broad network compared to the other types of the people. So my advice for all of you is try to be the third kind of person because they know how to grow, succeed and live a fulfilled life compared to others. Don't limit yourself to just academics because college is the best place to explore. Take risks and learn as many skills as you can. Because someday when you look back on your college days, it's not just about the grades and the exams you remember. It's the experiences and the connections and the things you did beyond the classroom that will hold the most value. Every random night walk and playing cricket feels like most special. Because deep down, we know that it's never going to be exactly like this again.
So, how to do college? Honestly, there is no right way to do it. You figure it out along the way. You laugh, cry, mess up, and make memories. And before you know it, it's over. But something tells me, apart from us, we'll always be here. The friendship, the late nights, and the last minute plans, and the version of ourselves that only exist in these 4 years.